Would you get down? We're going to be late for Hye Hwa's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Hye Hwa's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, my friend Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Breaking news. It's Hye Hwa's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa. Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
Happy birthday, Hye Hwa.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Hye Hwa's party started.